Good evening, I'm Wong Zachin. Tonight's breaking news. A construction site has been reported to have many hazards. Let's see the video at the construction site. We've invited 4 professors to discuss the 6 hazards found. We see that the moving machinery is a safety hazard. Let's welcome Professor Ain to talk about the control measures.
Yes, Reporter Wong. And for safety hazard control measure, for elimination, we must remove the one material from the device. For substitution, apply pad or protect the sling from sharp edges. For engineering control, use of counterweight and administrative controls, perform regular maintenance of hoist, and for PPE, wear proper head, foot, hand, and eyes protection.
In the next photo, we can see an electrical generator. Electrical hazard from power generator can be from the frayed parts, missing ground pins, or improper wiring, which can cause electric shock, burn, death, or fire. Let's hear what Professor Ain has to say.
For electrical hazard measure control, first we do elimination. Remove the improper wiring and then substitution. For the substitution, use overcurrent protective device. And for the engineering control, maintain at minimum 10 foot working clearance from power line rated at 50 kV or less. For the administrative, have warning label with involved energy level. For the PPE, use voltage insulated glove, non-synthetic clothing, and non-conductive footwear. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Ain. Construction sites often have insect bites, for example bee stings, and also coronavirus can be classified as a biological hazard. We've invited Professor Awanis to discuss with us.
Thanks to Reporter Wong. For Bistings hazard controls, we can do elimination where we should clear the trees. For substitution, we can isolate beehives away from construction site. For engineering controls, we can call professional pest control service. For administrative control, the workers need to avoid from eating near the site as it can attract the insects. And last, for PPE, the workers should wear light colored clothing, long sleeve shirts, and pants. Control measures for COVID-19, we can do elimination, which is quarantine, where the workers that have symptoms of COVID-19 should not come to workplace and quarantine themselves. For engineering controls, they can put any barriers when they need to be in close contact with someone suspected to have COVID-19. For administrative control, they can apply cleaning practices and also do screening. For PPE, the workers must wear masks.
Thank you. Workers working under hot sun can cause sunburn and skin cancer. Loud noise is also often heard at the construction sites, and these are the physical hazards. Let's welcome Prof. Ong to talk about how we should control.
Yes, Reporter Wong. For the physical hazard control measures, elimination and substitution is not possible as it is difficult to eliminate sunlight. Engineering controls then can reduce incident of heat-related illness. Administrative control, shorter exposure time and use frequent rest break. For PPE control, we can add cooling vests, provide a cool layer absorb body heat. And second physical hazard is noise created by machine. The hazard control measure, from the most effective to the least effective, eliminate the impact between hard object or surface. Use of hydraulic processes to knock the materials, fitting sound-absorbing materials to the hard reflective surfaces, limiting the time workers spend in noisy area by job design, and last, using hearing protective device. That's all from me.
Thank you, Prof. Ong. Workers often need to carry heavy things around and repeating the same posture, and this can cause ergonomic hazards. So, Prof. Ui, how can we control the ergonomic hazards?
Thanks to Reporter Wong. Now let's look at the ways that we can use to control the economic hazard. First, engineering control. By redesigning the workstations, be able to reduce the awkward postures such as bending. Second, administration's control. By increasing the number of staff, be able to reduce the individual workloads. Third, PPE. Providing the kneading pads for kneading tasks, able to reduce the strains on one person. Thank you.
Stress and workload demands can be a motivation, but it can also ruin a person's mental health. So, Prof. Ui, what are the work organization control measures we can do?
Now we have 3 methods to control the work organization's hazard. The first one is substitutions. We can extend the due dates for the worker to complete the task. Second is the engineering control. We can provide the equipment that are required by the workers so that they can complete the task faster and easier. Hence, this will help them to reduce the stress felt among them. The third one is administration's control. The management should apply the job rotations or the work shift in order to let the workers to have enough rest and relief. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. I'm Wong Zichin reporting for the news tonight.